who we are as a company, because I know some people who know of us get confused as to who Micro-Measurements are, who VPG are. So I'm just going to give you a very brief overview. So firstly, VPG essentially is a foil technology company. And obviously today we're talking mainly about strain gauges, but you can't avoid, when you talk about strain gauges, talk about load measurement as well. The foil also goes into making very high precision resistors. Obviously the strain gauge going to our load cells, and we produce systems with load cells, which can be process weighing, that kind of thing. And we also have other brands as well, including instrumentation companies that can do 8,000 plus channel systems. We have the ultra miniature DTS brand on board now. We also have dynamic systems, a thing called a Gleeble, which is to make and evaluate different metals. And there's a few others as well. So if you want to see more of what VPG do, there is a corporate website. There'll be copies of these slides a bit later. Micro-Measurements is a brand of VPG, and we are primarily a strain gauge company. And you'll often hear about advanced sensors technology, and I'll just make a couple of comments about that throughout this slideshow. We do all the accessories in order to properly bond, wire and protect a strain gauge. So that's a one-stop shop. We provide the instrumentation. We can also bond strain gauges to your own hardware, both on-site and in our Basingstoke office. And of course, training workshops. So this presentation involves some of the slides that we do in our own hands-on workshops. And so it really comes down to the company that I'm employed by, Vishay Measurements Group UK Limited. And we represent, obviously, the Micro-Measurements brand, the strain gauges, VPG transducers, foil resistors, and Pacific Instruments. And we've been in Basingstoke for more than 30 years. And in fact, the photo of the building there, I've been working in that building for more than 30 years. So been around a long time. So that's just a summary of who we are and what we represent.